Alrighty, to start off, this was a pain to get situated, and it took me a long time to figure out how this screencast works, but I figured it out, and I apologize for the noise in the background. It's my roommates doing homework. Anyways, so, to start off with, I'm going to take this perpendicular line, and I'm gonna click this point right here, the A point. Then I'm just going to go somewhere on the line and click the line. And that's just going to create this line straight through the point. And I want it... Okay, to be honest, I'm not really good at explaining it. I just kind of am doing it because this is how I found out it worked. I don't know the actual logic behind it or the reasoning. So I'm just gonna tell you what I'm doing. Okay, next I'm gonna click on point B, and I'm going to click this line that's going through point A, and it's gonna create a line through point B. And as you can see, point A's line and point B's line are parallel, and they will never intersect or cross. Thank you.